In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all the events from your iPhone calendar. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up calendar app. As you can see, for that date I got an event, each date's with an event marked with that gray circle. So first off we need to enter that particular day. As you can see down below, it shows us two events for that date, and both of them are all-day events. So guys, in order to delete any of these events, we need to get into them, then tap at delete, and then delete event. I've just successfully removed one particular all-day event. Now I'm going to show you how we can get into that event in a different way. If we tap right here at that button, it will activate that mode where at the top of the screen we have a calendar, and at the rest part of the screen we can get the list of events for that day. That's where we can find our all-day event, and we can get into it by tapping on it. And in the same way we can delete that event. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.